In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block fake orders on Shopify. Fake, low value, or clearly fraudulent orders can waste your time, skew your analytics, and even create chargebacks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use a Shopify app called Block It. Checkout validation to automatically stop those orders before they're completed. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click into that search bar, then from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field that appears, type Block It and hit Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. In the search results, look for Block It Checkout Validation. Click into it, install the app, and follow the on-screen installation prompts until it's fully added to your store. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken to Block It's dashboard. On the top right side of this dashboard, look for a card labeled App Status. Make sure the app is enabled here. If it's not, switch it on so the rules you create can actually run on your checkout. Below that App Status card, you'll see a button that says Create Validation Rules. Click this button. Block It will show you 3 different rule set templates. For this tutorial, choose Rule Set 2. This is a flexible option that works well for blocking a mix of risky behaviors and fake orders. In the rule details section, give your rule a clear name and a short internal description so you can easily remember what it's for later. Under Trigger this rule when the customer is, choose the option that covers landing on the checkout page from the cart and/or completing checkout. This ensures your rule runs at the right moment. On the status card next to rule details, set the rule to active. Next, you'll see the validation tier 1 card. Add a tier title for internal use, then look for validation customization rules. Here you can choose all below or any below. If you're blocking a specific email, domain, or multiple risky signals, it's usually best to choose any below. So a match on just one condition is enough to block the order. Now add your conditions. For the first condition, select a rule type of email address. For the rule condition, choose contains if you're blocking an email domain. In the text field, enter the domain or email pattern you want to block. For low-value test or spam orders, click Add Condition. Set the rule type to Total Amount. For the rule condition, choose less than or equals and enter a threshold amount that doesn't make sense for your store, like 5, 10, or 100 depending on your average order value. To block PO box addresses, which are often used in fraud, click Add Condition again. Set the rule type to PO box address. The app will now treat any PO box as a match for this tier. Next, add a global error message, something clear and neutral, like, "We're unable to process your order at this time." This is what customers will see if they trigger one of your rules, so keep it professional and non-specific. For the final action, make sure you select Block Customer from completing checkout. This tells Block It to actually stop the transaction rather than just flagging it. When everything looks correct and your conditions are in place, go to the top right of the screen and click Create. Your validation rule will now be live and actively helping you block fake and fraudulent orders on your Shopify store.